We got a minute and 50 seconds left. There could be another touch to the weekly pivot, which would close me out immediately. If I move to 36, no, that would still move me out of the position.
It could be sell the news by the fact of the instability and the Powell situation, but I'm looking for the price action closely today.
Yeah. It's not easy. Yesterday, I mean, the whole week is remember CPI, that was painful to trade. The bias, our bias was very good and correct, but it was painfully difficult to trade. It was going up and down. In the end, it's surrendered, but come on, that was painful. You have 40 seconds left. It is a sell, guys, trust. Dr. Eddie says it's a sell. I hope you're right, because I'm in a sell and we got literally 15 seconds left. Retail sales data is coming out in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What is the retail sales? Come on. Yep, it's higher than expected, so that should be inflationary for gold. It should be bearish for gold. US 30, that should be positive. Let's have a look on the positions. Yeah, I'm going to keep the sell on gold and keep the buy on US 30. Philly Manufacturing Index, very positive. I'm going to jump into another sell on gold. Whoop, 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 look at gold. It's melting. Gonna move stop loss on the 5-lot trade. A little bit closer, so just in case of a pullback. Okay, so already made £2,500. Come on, come on, come on. Push it down. Push it down, baby. Push it down.
My screen just want to fall asleep.
Push it down. Okay, going very, very nicely. £2,000, £2,500. I'm gonna secure that money, so 2,500 booked, and I'm out of the big trade, and the other one is still running in 80, 90 pips. It's very nice. Okay, guys, speak to me. Are you in profit?
Yes, profit. Thank you, Thomas.
Very nice.
Yes, sir.
Consider booking some profits because price touched the bottom of the, close to the bottom of the downward sending channel, and from now I will be looking for buys. If it comes down a little bit lower, not now, just a little bit lower. And those of you who are interested to join the Alpha community to get analysis every day like this, go to alphafx.eu, look to your right into the YouTube chat. You get your last chance, last few weeks this summer to join the AlphaFX Academy for £199. Today, I would say it was fairly easy. Did the whole macroeconomic analysis, starting with, looking at the economic calendar, explaining what this is, how it's affecting or how can be measured, how can be used to measure consumption, and how can you trade if it's higher or lower. So it's simple economics. There's no order blocks and those fantastic theories. It's just pure economics. And here you see the result on the screen. You're welcome, Finanza. US 30, the market is not open, so chances are very high that we're going to see a new all-time high on US 30 and NASDAQ. So if you're not long, I'm not saying you should enter because it's your money, your decision, but I'm long on US 30. Wow, look at that, 111 pips. I need to zoom in. I need to show you in big. It deserves the whole screen.
Yeah, jobless claims did not come mixed, so it helped a lot also.
Yeah.
What a good
Easy life, innit? I got closed
Indeed.
out of my positions yesterday and break even. I made like £27 loss, £30 profits. So all my stop losses were hit either in break even or in tiny loss. And I was up like £2,000. That's disgusting.
But was all because of Trump. If not, gold was going well. I mean, was selling off.
Yeah. Consider taking some profits or do whatever you want with your money. Learning from yesterday. Learning from yesterday's lesson, I closed of the 5-lot trade. I'm still gonna leave this one there. So if it goes lower, I can show something on Instagram and I can brag about it. But yeah, I think it's time to take some money off the table. What is the... Yay! Above 250k. Who made some money today?
I did.
Good.
Made 100 pips just off your analysis. Thanks.
Very nice.
Really on point.
Yeah, today was good. I wish every day was this easy. Fortunately, we can't get this pleasure. What is your indicator in roamed? I'm using this is my indicator, my head. I think my job is done for today. Yes, you can join the community. If you go to the website, you get daily analysis like this every single day for £199. This is for lifetime. I do the same macroeconomic analysis with entries, with technicals, yes, I do send signals as well. But the signals, it's not signal that you get on Telegram from a kid in Pakistan. The signal is an exact copy of my entry These are my live entries. What I send into Discord for the members, I take every single trade. And yes, I do follow up on them. So these are signal. Well, would you call them signals, or would you call them notification of my trades?
Yeah, it's live update of your trade.
It's
basically.
100%
not
live.
Yeah.
That is the MyFX book for this account. So I was at 249,000, and I took £2,500 profit on one trade, and that's what you see right there. Today's profit is up 1%, £2,500. That is my result
Is
for.
this paid or is it free?
Pardon?
My FX book, is it paid or free?
This is paid. So if you check, so when you see updated live, this is a subscription for annual $60 because it's real time for my account. But you can get it for free, but it updates like once or twice a day. Like it's very slow, but I want it the real time. So I can show you when I take a profit, like today, I took £2,500 profit a few minutes ago, and it immediately shows up on my MyFX book. If I will withdraw money, it will show up immediately on the account, or if I take a loss. Yeah, alphafx.eu. The link is in the YouTube chat. Let's have a look on the open position. It's still running in 95 pips. Not bad. Appreciate your effort. Yeah, you're welcome, brother. Pro-roasted my country. No, it's true, brother. Nigeria, Pakistan, it's the homeland of scammers, unfortunately. India, God, is the call center of the world. Philippines recently in top 5 as well. They are good people, I know, because I have friends in every country, but even they say that, you don't trust people from there. And right now, position is running in 112 pips of profit. And yeah, as I said, if it goes down to 3,300, I will be looking for buy opportunities. I have a feeling that Trump will come and stir up the market. Yep, I can show you my MyFX book again. This is it. It was a bit wobbly in June. It was down minus 16%. That's my highest drawdown, which wasn't... It was a bit painful, but what can you do? Show me someone else who doesn't have... Show me someone who has better drawdown and still profitable after, months. Yeah, I think my job is done for today, guys. Easy life. Come in, do the analysis, take some money off the table, and go home. So, thank you so much. This is the Alpha FX. And you guys, for members, we don't have anything in the calendar tomorrow, do we?
Yep, don't have.
It's
Yeah.
it's permits and yeah, nothing special.
Okay, anyhow. Next week I will be on holiday, so maybe we're going to have tomorrow or Monday a morning briefing so I can brief you, get you ready for the earnings season and the economic things. But until that, I wish you a good weekend. See you soon.
I think one day is better.
Okay.
Thank you, Thomas.
Bye.
Have a nice weekend. Bye-bye.
Thanks, Emma.
And those of you who would like to join the Alpha community, if you want to see my entries real time, same as this one. When I take a trade, I send it to Discord for the members. I didn't send this one because we were live. So before I went on live on YouTube in a Zoom briefing, I explained everything about retail sales and how it's going to affect the market, and I entered live with them. I entered live and they entered after me or followed me. If you want to understand how markets work, go to alphafx.eu. This is the best decision you can make, honestly, for this price. Not to, brag about it, but you won't get this knowledge anywhere else for this amount of money. You get signals and you get order blocks and market manipulating institutions, strategies, but no. You can draw lines, but it's not going to make you money in the long term. Thank you so much, guys. Let's have a final look on the position. Still running strong 90 pips. Have a good weekend. This is the Alpha FX.